Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna open Mario Kart 𝐑𝐨𝐬.
Ooh, and it has
A character. Daddy used to play that character all the time.
her daddy always used to pick this character, his Shy Guy, on Mario Kart.
And
So this toy is for her little brother, and we're gonna set it up, and when he wakes up from his nap, he's gonna see this Mario Kart track, and he's gonna flip out. What's wrong? There's a fly distracting you. Okay, let's open it. From the back, there's a hole where you can actually just tear it open just like that.
pizza box.
Kind of. Ooh, I came with some stickers to instructions, of course. Here are some of the pieces. Here are some more. Step one, what is it? Take out all these pieces. Oh, look, something turns. Maybe it's the ghost that turns. Let's get all these out.
Where's the ghost?
It's right here.
And the other ghost.
There's another
This is the
ghost.
red ghost. That's it.
Hopefully we don't wake him up. Oh, the other one where the car knocks into it or something, I think.
Now we have to get the car.
Oh yeah, we'll get the car. So, hold on. That's what it looks like again, guys. Mario Kart. We also got this at Target, our favorite store in the world.
Remember we opened the reveal pit over there? That's where we got the same thing.
We got the Barbie color reveal little dolls and pets at Target too. And if you haven't seen that video, go check it out.
So it's
Okay, let's see. Let's see, do it again. Here it is, guys. I think we have it set up. And we have it set up right. This little thing, you wind it, and it makes the little ghost move up and down like a little seesaw. And you just crashed into him. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna switch it to this. Hold on. Let me switch it to this one. Wait. Oh. Okay, ready? Sit.
I didn't hit him. Oh, still got him.
Again. Oh, you made it around the track. Kind of, because you stopped right there, but. Ready? Do it again. Oh, you made it! High five, girl. You think Raphael's gonna wake up? You think he's gonna like it?
Yeah.
He's gonna love it. I'm excited for him to wake up from his nap so he can.
I went under him.
Wait, let me wind him up again. Let's see if we're gonna hit this little. Look, he's already. His face is like, oh no, don't hit me. Okay, ready? Yeah, just scream like that. Ooh, almost. Again.
I need to hit him.
Oh.
I need to
Ooh,
There we go.
off the track.
Let me rewind it.
This is pretty cool, guys. Mario Kart in action with Shy Guy. Ooh. Ready, set? I wonder why it has this right here. Or maybe you pull it back all the way and then you're supposed to like push the button. I'll have to look. There you go. See? See what I mean? You have to pull it all the way back, right? Alright, we'll show you guys when Raphael wakes up. We'll see you in a minute. Okay, let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What is the other ghost like?
Look.
I'm doing it back.
Okay, do it backwards then. And finish the track. Shy Guy. You did it. Now we have to wait for Raphael. Ooh. Raphael, can you say hi? Hi. You want to go see your car? Look right here, Buds. Look over here. Look. Come here, look. You got to put it right here. Look, we're going to show you. Uh-oh. Come sit down. Come here, sit down right here on the chair. Come here.
Sit down, buddy.
Get the crybaby and show her. Put it right here. Ready? You ready? Look. Ready? Sit. Ready? Sit. Go.
The ghost knocked out.
Did you see that part?
Yeah, it's really good. I need some assistance.
You need some assistance? Well, we'll have to glue it in there, I guess. We're gonna knock out the ghost. We're gonna knock out the ghost. Let Buddy hit it.
Yeah, but you didn't work it.
Look, Bubba. Ready? Wait. Oh.
Papa, let me show you. So we do.
He just wants to ride it. Oh! That was so
Knocked out the ghost again!
Okay, let's go again. Ready? Set. Go! But oh.
The ghost again!
Careful. Oh.
He's like,
Do you love it, buddy? Is it cool? I think he likes it. What do you think?
I love it.
Well, you think he loves it?
Yeah.
Yes.
What was?
Whoa!
The ghost again!
The ghost again. It's a ghost. Wait, ready, sit. When he puts it in there, then you can blast it in there. Blast out. Did it hit your finger? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Me and Bubba can cheer it.
Oh yeah, you both can play it together. All right, what are you supposed to say to everybody?
Thanks for making Raphael so special from this gift. And subscribe to our channel if you haven't seen our Barbie toy reveal video. Oh, and remember, guys, tell us in the comments if this is a girl or a boy.
That was on the other video, silly.
And just let them know.
So don't forget to subscribe to Robin's World.
You mean
give us a thumbs up.
You mean Raphael's World?
Well, he's just a guest. Robin's World. It's gonna be Robin and Raphael's World.
Raphael.
Thanks for watching.
Bye. Bye-bye. I hit the ghost. Oh.
Raphael, can you say bye-bye? Say bye.
Huh?
Blow kisses. Blow kisses. Bye-bye. Blow kisses. He's too busy.